Hello fellow steamers, St. Paul Steam here with my latest creation. It's a Jensen based 2525 with a generator and a windmill. The unit weighs 10 pounds 6 ounces and is 18.5 inches wide and 16 3/8 deep, and it's 17 inches tall at the windmill. I've got it coming up to steam here directly, so we'll talk a little bit about it. Every axle in the generator in both 25s and the water pump for the windmill have raced ball bearings installed in them very carefully, and they are sealed ball bearings, and it really runs truly smooth. Let's take a little closer look at it, what's coming up. Okay, you can see the generator here. This is a brand new 15 generator from Jensen. I've taken out the original 3-inch axle and installed a 4-inch axle and put two 4-tiered pulleys on either side. Like I say, this also has ball bearings installed in it. Makes the biggest difference on the generator. And here we have a Jensen 25, and this one also has governor balls installed in it, brass ones, and the cap matches the base of the firebox, same as the other engine. And this one also has raced ball bearings installed in the axle. Both of the plant 1 and plant 2 over there have been carefully and finely tuned to get the optimum performance out of each engine. I spent a lot of time doing that. This one also has matched pulleys, and that one belt can go up and down the ratios, and you don't need 2 or 3 or any different belt for that, because they match. Here we all go over to the boiler housing. It looks just as good inside as it does outside. It has been bead blasted and then repainted with burnt copper, very high temperature paint. And I even took care to install a lug for the chimney so that doesn't vibrate and fall off. We're getting close up to pressure. As you can see, both engines have their own separate throttle controls. And let me walk around here. I have one of my 0 to 30 psi pressure gauge, banjo pressure gauges installed. And this one is a all chrome version. Match the boiler nicely. Here we go to plant number 2. It's kind of hard to capture that in the reflective light. There we go. And again, nice governor balls, custom ones, matching cap for the boiler. Looks like we're getting close to up to steam. And we have race ball bearings installed in this axle. And we have a water pump with race ball bearings installed in that. And up to the Jensen windmill. And this is the only thing that does not have ball bearings. It has a bronze sleeve in it, and I just left that alone. So I think we're about up to steam here. We'll fire it up and get it going. Be right back. Okay, let's get the generator going. Got my drip rags. And now for plant 2. There we go. Okay, has a good strong boiler. As you can see, it's holding pressure real well. Turn off the light here and get the generator going. Okay, let's take a closer look. Absolutely very true. Again, I take a lot of time fine-tuning and just getting the most you can out of these units. Let's go to the other side. As you can see, the boiler is strong enough to maintain good pressure even without steaming going moderately hard like a genny. Hope you enjoyed watching this half as much as I did building it. It's a fun project. Thanks for watching, folks.